Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change ringtone and notification sounds on your Vivo. If you are using a Vivo phone and now you want to change ringtone or notification sounds on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for sounds and vibrations. Select it and here just scroll down again and you will get the ringtone options. Here's the option, just select it. Here's the phone ringtone, and here you must have to select the ringtone for your phone for SIM 1 or SIM 2. And after doing this, just go for notification ringtone, select it, and here you will get a list of some ringtones. You just have to select one of them, but if you want to add from your phone galleries, you must have to select custom ringtone and it will open your phone gallery or audio section. You must have to select the voice or ringtone you want to set as, and that's how you can easily change ringtone and notification sound on your Vivo phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.